Hi people, Sana here, coming in for our November budget. So today we are stuffing $1,060. So we'll count it out and we will get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 850. 870, 890, 910, 930, 950. We'll put that there. 970, 990, 1010, 1030, 1040, 1050, 1060. So we'll put these back. All right, as always, we are going to start with our cash envelopes. So I had a little bit more money left over this month. This was my birthday month. October was my birthday month. So I didn't spend everything. I'll go through them. So anyway, I have $38 left in food. Let me make sure that's right. Yep, okay. And we're gonna add $350. So we will take 1, 2, 50, and then we'll add 5 20s. All right, so this should be 388. Should have organized this better, sorry. All right, so we got 100, 200, 250, 20, 40, 60, 80, 350, 370, 375, 380, 385, 386, 387, 388. All righty. Y'all like my nails? I got chrome this time. They were a little pricier than what I usually will spend. But since it was my birthday, I was just like, all right, let me treat myself. Okay, beauty. I have $5 left in beauty. Right here. And we're going to add 80 bucks. We got 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, out of my 20s already. Okay. Anyway, so we put that back in there. So we have $85 in beauty. Fashion is not getting anything. I don't think I put anything in there last month either. Partly because I knew that I would get money and I was going to spend some of my birthday money on clothes and not my own money. So that was why. So I'm not going to give it anything this month either because November and December are really expensive months for me because of my parents' birthdays and the holidays and all of that stuff. Okay, fun has $100 in it. It actually had all but like $10 spent because everybody paid for me, but which I'll get to a little later, I had an accident and so I had to take $100 out to cover my deductible. So I'll talk about that when we get to the car. But anyway, so we're gonna add $100. So 200 bucks in fun. All right, household. I spent everything in household. We'll add $20 to that. And miscellaneous has 20 left. Yep, and we will add 10 to that for 30 bucks. Okay, Starbucks is getting nothing. And that is it for my cash envelopes. All right, so my annuals, I had my Microsoft Office come out on October 26th. So it's actually $99, but I just rounded up because I didn't want to leave $1 in here. So back to nothing. So I will put $100 back in here. Car. Okay, so my car got hit. It was parked on the street overnight, and at some point in the middle of the night, someone hit it. No one saw anything. I tried to check the cameras from various hotels and stuff on the block, but allegedly nobody had anything. So whoever hit it just hit it and ran. It ended up being about $8,600 in damage, a little bit more. But, you know, insurance covered it, but I have a $500 deductible, so I ended up having to pay that. I actually have to pay that. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. They called me to say that it was finished, but I didn't get a chance to get up there. So I had only put $100 in here for gas and tolls, and it got hit in the beginning of October, so I didn't buy any gas or pay any tolls because it was in the shop or crumpled up. So yeah, but I took the $100 out that I put for gas and tolls towards the deductible. So it's down to nothing. So I will put $100 in there for November. Emergency. I had $250 in here. I took that out for my deductible. So yeah, so this is empty as well, and so I have to build this back. But I realized that maybe $250 isn't enough for an emergency. I thought that it was, and I had stopped stuffing it because I was like, all right, $250 is good, but apparently not, because I needed 5. So yeah, so we'll try to build that up too, but not this month, but I will put something. So we'll put $100 in emergency. And gifts, I have, I think $74, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. All right. And we're going to add $100 for that because birthdays and the holidays are coming up. So try to get ready. And hopefully I'll have enough by the time they get here. We'll see. Might be a little tight. And travel. I am going home for the holidays, so I have to buy plane tickets to head home. So yeah, so we'll put $100 in that. And that will be it for November. I'm hoping financially it will be okay and no more emergencies because I've exhausted my fund. So yeah, that's it. We will do our little drawing and I will be right back. All right, so all right, we have $92 for this week's challenge. One sec. Okay, so here's our $92. We have 50, 70, 90, 91, 92. So we will add this to our challenge. I also did a consolidation during one of the off weeks, just because there were so many ones, and I was just like, okay, it was just getting way too big, too thick with really small bills. So yeah, took some of those out. Okay, so we will put this here. I gotta organize these better. All right, so that is it. We have a few more weeks of this, and then we will count it all out. So, thank you for tuning in to my November budget, and I will see you next month.